Hi everyone, I just ordered some new step drills from Step Drill Bits from Amazon, and this is going to be an opening and I guess you could say unboxing. So this is from a company called T-Warda, and like I said, I got them through Amazon. Comes in a nice little bag in a box, and ooh, very nice case. And there they are. Aren't they pretty? Now, what are step drills? Let me go ahead and show you. They come different ways. These here, well, this one, first of all, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece. This has a punch, so you can, these basically are for drilling into metal, wood, and plastic. I got them to drill into plastic easily and quickly because I'm going to have to hit holes all over these plastic buckets. So it comes with a punch, which I think you would use mostly for metal, and it comes with different sizes. Okay, so here's this one here, which is 1/2 inch. Yep, 1/2 inch. Comes with actually 2 1/2-inch ones. This one here has a bunch of steps, and this one here has less. And if you look real, I'm going to show you on the bigger one. It has, they go different sizes. Look underneath here, first of all. There we go. See underneath where all the writing is? Whoops. At the bottom below each drill. So the big one, for instance, is 1/4 to 1 3/8. See that? 1/4 to 1. So it tells you what it is. Now, when it says one to the other, if you look, you're going to see little measurements on the inside of this as well. And what the measurements are is, as you're drilling, if you only want to go, let's say, to 1 inch, you would go basically just to where the inch mark is, which is right over here. Let's see, it's hard to, inch mark, which is right here. See that? 1 inch, there's 1. Then there's 1/2 inch, and then, so you would drill just up to where you want to go. Now I'm going to have to drill, so I got all different sizes. I'm going to have to drill big holes all over this because this is going to be my Alaska bucket system. So let's see how it works. Yeah. Now there's different kinds. I'm not sure if I'm going to, keep these or not, because these, you can see, it's just a regular, it's just, there's nothing there, whereas the ones I'm used to using are for my power drill. Okay, see that little indentation? I meant to order these, but I ordered these by mistake, because these work with a regular drill, and these work with my, I guess there's a special name for it. I call it power drill, okay? Because these I could just, the other ones I could just slip right in. These won't turn the same way. So, put that right in there. There we go. So, here's the way it works. Depending on how deep you want to go, I'll try to do it with this hand, okay? If I wanted to go just, oops, the other way around, there we go. If I wanted to go just a little bit, so that's an inch hole right there. I went only up to the inch. But if I want a bigger hole, this is 1, what did I say? It was 1 3/8. I would go all the way. Am I going the right way here? Yes. There we go. Now, just to give you an example, this one, all I have to do to put this one in is to go like that, and it's in. And can't see that way, can you? Okay, so I would go, let's say right here, down here. Yeah, I like these a lot better. I don't know if there's a real difference. Now, of course, I could take that little hole and make it bigger with this one. It's, like I said, step up more and more. Now, I don't know if the difference is because of the kind. They both seem to be made the same way, but this new one doesn't seem to work as well as the other one. You saw how much I had to push on that one. And this one here, let's see, let's go down about here, let's say. That goes in a lot nicer. So, let's compare the same with the same, right? What size was this one? This one here was, looks like one. These are my reading glasses, by the way. These look like they're 1/2 inch. So, do I have a 1/2 inch in here? I'm sorry. Looking at it upside down, that was 3/4 inch. So let's give it 3/4 inch on this new one too. Okay. And let's see how it does in comparison. Huh. I still think this one, different type, goes a lot better. Oops. I don't know why my old one seemed to do a lot better. But anyway, it does drill. Okay, you saw how that worked. It comes with a nice set. Like I said, I believe they're initially designed for metal. Okay, they're designed for metal, but you can use them for wood and for plastic. I'm going to be using them for all these, like I say, these buckets, and I'm going to be using them on my boat outside when I work on that. So I wanted to give you a view at that. Okay, nice case. I like the carrying case, but honestly, what I think I'm going to be doing is returning them and getting another set with the little thingy there on the bottom, like you can see there, and maybe looking at some that are made more like these. They seem to work a little bit better, especially if I'm going to be drilling hundreds of holes. So I'm going to go ahead and reorder those, and I'll show you the new ones when they come in. But either way, you got to see how a step drill works. Isn't that cool? You can make any size hole you want. Instead of having a whole set of 50 drills, you got all the little increments you can go to. So it's like having, well, this one here is like having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 drills in one. Okay, and you have the other ones too. So there you have it. I like to show everything working beautifully, and I was hoping these would, but hey, I want to do honest reviews. Okay, this part of the video was done about 4 days after what you've just been watching, because I ordered another step drill. This one here is what size did I get? I believe it's 1 3/8. So it goes all the way up to 1 3/8. This one here, I got it from a place called Nico, and through Amazon. Okay, Amazon has a whole mess of them. But if you recall, I wanted to get this little hex, and you can't see it through the plastic that much, but it has a little thing so I could put it in my power driver there. Let's see, and this guy. So let's go ahead and open it up. Always love these clamshells. I think the easiest way to get a clamshell opened is razor blade, right? Look at that. Take it right out of the clamshell so people wouldn't even notice that it was in there, right? Look at that, huh? Comes right out. So there it is. And all the measurements, you can see, all the measurements are actually written right on here, so you know how far you got to drill in. So let's see if this one works any better than the other ones did. And the reason I wanted it for here is because it just fits right in. Okay. here's the same plastic jug I was using. And let's see how she does. Let's see. I'm going to enlarge this one first. Oops, wrong way. Whoa. Nice. That went through there like nothing. Let's go on the other side. Let's go right here. Can you see this good? Wow. I don't know if this drill is just designed to work better than one of the regular ones, you know. But boy, did that make some nice holes. If you're going to be doing a lot of these, like I'm going to be, you need to have something that's going to go really powerfully. So, this, comparing to the other ones, I did return the other ones, and the company was very good. Within an hour, I had my refund, so I can go out and order this one. But those, I mean, they worked. It would have taken me a long time. I'd probably give them a 4 out of 10. Now, on plastic, I'm sure they work great on metal because that's what they're designed for. They work on metal, wood, plastic, PVC, aluminum, and so does this one. But this one is probably just designed better to work on plastic. So on plastic, this new one, I give a 10. I love the way it works. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit more about a step drill, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.